While much of downtown GP flies under the radar, our lunch stop definitely does not. Right here on Main Street between Brisket Lane and Sloppy Juan Way, seriously, they renamed the streets for them, you'll find the one and only Zavala's BBQ. Located in an old burger drive-in, this spot now smokes up some of the finest Q in Texas, served with heart, soul, and a whole lot of pepper. I mean a whole lot of pepper. And the man behind the pits, Joe Zavala. Good to see you, brother.
I know. Welcome to downtown Grand Prairie.
Hey, now you know I've been here a lot of times, but I'm excited. These guys have never had Zavala's BBQ. So let's show the world what you do.
All right, let's go.
Everyone who graces the door gets a healthy helping of Joe's biggest Texas smile and a good dousing of smoky meat cologne.
That smoker over there was actually in my backyard. My wife wanted me to get it out of there as soon as possible.
So this really did start just like a little hobby.
You know, I learned from my dad, backyard, wanted to do the same thing he did, and I did that and just turned into a restaurant after that.
A backyard brisketeer. His buddies seemed to like it, so Joe started taking pre-orders for briskets and quickly realized the barbecue biz is hard.
First weekend, we didn't get a single order. I was like so embarrassed, but I told everybody, I was like, sold out, now taking orders for the next week, but in reality, we didn't sell a single thing. I became absolutely obsessed to learn how to make a better brisket, cooking every single weekend for about 6 months, and it just kind of kept on growing, and now we're here.
It got totally out of hand. Eventually, Joe started not just selling, but selling out. Because, well, his brisket is something special. I've never seen more pepper crust in my life.
I would go on record to say there's not another barbecue joint in Texas or the world that puts as much pepper on their brisket.
Hey, stake in the ground.
Stake in the ground.
Like we're dying on the peppery hill.
Yep. Over here are almost carnitas. We throw some Coke in there, some orange in there, wrap it up for another 3 or 4 hours so it gets nice and tender.
Oh man. And that's just one taste of Mexican flair Joe adds in. Everything on the line has a little special touch. Craft sausage, fresh pico, and bam, you got yourself a Tex-Mex barbecutery board. Oh my gosh, you give me all day, I couldn't finish that.
We have our sausages here, we have our brisket boudin, turkey, pork ribs.
And then bring me to the king.
That is our 44 farm brisket. Oh, look at that. That is perfectly rendered. My team does an unbelievable job.
There's not a way in the world that could be a better slice of brisket.
Oh, it's great.
The entire tray is a smoky mix of magic, with a few curveballs totally out of left field, like jalapeno cheese hominy.
There's nothing better than cheese, jalapenos, cheese, butter, cheese.
I can't disagree. And let us not neglect the most famous barbecue taco in Texas, El Sloppy Juan.
You're gonna get sloppy.
Does it come with a bib? So this might be the only taco with a road named after it in Texas.
100%. If that doesn't give you East Texas, just really good sloppy Joe, I don't know what does.
This is something special. There's a whole lot of like nostalgia in there, but just deliciousness.
That is pure love in a tortilla.
The amount of sloppy love in this tortilla is the same that Joe and his wife Kristen put into everything they do, using barbecue to serve something much bigger. So Joe, have you been able to quit your day job?
No, not yet.
Wait, this is still kind of a side hustle.
Yeah, I have an unbelievable team, but I do love my day job. And I kind of need this thing called insurance.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Actually, in 2019, I was diagnosed with multiple myeloma. It's a type of bone marrow cancer. Barbecue kind of saved my life, made me be able to slow down. We started the Zavala Family Foundation. We're able to raise money for people in the restaurant industry affected by cancer. We write a $1,000 check, no questions asked, because I tell people, it's like, people going through cancer don't have time to fill out a piece of paper why I need money. Because I'm a part of my career now. Look, I have cancer, I get it. But how do we have fun with this? How do we do good with it? How do we just enjoy life?
Yeah, life's a gift.
It is.
Even with cancer, like that's amazing. Amazing that all of this is still a passion project for Joe. But through it, he's seized every stomach and every heart that's had the honor of sitting at his tables.
This is a dream come true. I cannot believe you're here.
Trust me, this is all one-sided. I'm the one enjoying this the most. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.